Okay, we got two symptoms to a problem with the upper heater coolant hose, and that is that the coolant was running out quickly and that it sounded like rain in the engine. What we got going on here is that there's a leak in this intersection on the upper coolant heater hose. So I've purchased a new one, and I'm going to be replacing that one. It's just this one piece that extends 3 ways. Okay, all the pieces have been installed at this point and connected in 3 places. Just a word on using these self-cinching clamps. Move the clamp up far enough on the hose that you can connect it and then move it down where it's supposed to be. Okay, hope this has been helpful, fellas. Thanks.